Attention please. We have just experienced an earthquake. Please move away from the buildings to an open area and wait there until our cast members can instruct you further. Please be assured that the park has been designed with earthquake safety in mind. We'll provide you with more detailed information as soon as possible. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us today. Due to inclement weather, the Magic Kingdom is now closed. Again, due to inclement weather, the Magic Kingdom is now closed. Thank you.
come driving up. Man looked at me and he started to grin. He wanted to run it cause he thought he could win. Say if you wanna run it, man, I know the place. It's dark and deserted where you lose no face. Headed on out to the airport road.
Won't be long till summer. After much consideration, I've decided to halt updates for Theme Park Tycoon 2. It's been an incredible journey crafting virtual worlds for players, but it's time to focus on new creative endeavors. Thank you to all the fans and content creators for your support and enthusiasm throughout this adventure. Theme Park Tycoon 2 will be shut down in the coming days.
Before we say so long, let's sing the Wiggle Giggle song! Wiggle, giggle,